In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious peanut butter and jelly yogurt cups recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 cups of vanilla yogurt, 3 tablespoons of strawberry jam, and 2 tablespoons of crushed peanuts. We're going to start by adding the vanilla yogurt to a bowl. To the vanilla yogurt, we're going to add the peanut butter and mix until it's completely combined. Now we are going to transfer this peanut butter yogurt mixture evenly into cups. Over the yogurt, we're going to add the strawberry jam evenly. Now we're going to sprinkle our crushed peanuts on top. We're going to place our cups in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Our peanut butter and jelly cups are finished, and now you can serve them. We hope you enjoy.